So what do we have here, Cameron?
Take a picture. You taking a video of it?
Mm-hmm.
Or
Cameron found a little bunny in the yard and 6 dead ones. Isn't he cute? There's the little bunny. We're taking him to a rescue place. What's the name of the place?
it's Wildlife Rehab Center, that's all I know.
Wildlife Rehab Center, so they can take care of the little baby bunny. We think Carly probably got the rest of them. Close to the bunny. Did a good thing, huh, bub?
Sure.
Nice shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Say goodbye, Gracie.
What?
Say goodbye, Gracie.
Why are you calling me Gracie?
It's a phrase.
It's weird.